Okay, good evening, friends. Friends, today we are going to discuss about Polycab India Limited. We have already shared our opinion long way before when the stock was at 2000 or 1996 level because the two horizontal lines are already placed here. But anyways, that's not important for discuss now because the stock has given up a rally already. We are right now analyzing 5 minute candle. Normally, we analyze only 15 minutes candle, but we are right now analyzing 5 minute candle. Let me show why. Our level which we have to keep in the mind is 2544. 2544 का लेवल है जो अपने को ध्यान रखने का है और नीचे में जो लेवल है जो ध्यान रखने का है वो है 2499 जिसको राउंड फिगर में आप 2500 भी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, so 2544 and 2499, these are the two levels between which the stock is roaming around for last 17 तारीख को ही हुआ है ये, है ना. उससे पहले जो है स्टॉक वॉज below the 2499 level. So this level is important. Till the time the level is maintained, that is 2499, we will talk about the upward journey. And if the stock is closing below 2499, 15 minutes time frame candle, then the view will be changed. Okay. And right now the stock has given a closing at 2505, and on 17th the stock shows a high of 2573, well below the level of 2544. But here is a crux, okay, and that's why we are using 5 minutes time frame. See, when the stock was able to sustain 15 minutes total above 2544, let's see. This is 5 minute candle 2550, then 2555, 2546. 15 मिनट्स में 2555, 2550 and 2546. So sellers are more at the level of 2544. Second time 1050 the time frame, 5 minute candle closing was 2552 above the level of 2544. Second candle 2549. Third candle 2543. So not sustained for 15 minutes. Third time 1110 2550. First candle 5 minutes. Second candle 2550. Third candle 2561. 15 minutes sustain, but on the very next candle come down. ओके, सो यही जो है जुगलबंदी चल रही है. ऊपर जाता है नीचे आता है, ऊपर जाता है नीचे आता है. We will now shift to 15 minutes time frame so that it will be easy to understand. Now this is 15 minutes time frame. 10:15 closing 2555, second candle below. 10:45 closing 2549, second candle also, third candle also, but not sustained. So what is different now? See here, this is the volume, and from the level of 2499 volumes are picking up. So 3 o'clock volumes were more, stock was at 2481 and closing 2504. Second time stock 2504 closing 2530. So what I see, if the stock is able to sustain about 2544 level, compare decisively and comfortably. These two things are required with volumes, comfortable, decisively, and not in a hurry to give this long wicks. If the wicks are long and again, then we will see again it will come down below 2544. But if the wicks are not there, wicks means ये जो shadow होती हैं बड़ी बड़ी, ये नहीं रहेंगी, जो कि यहाँ पर अब कम दिख रही हैं. पहले यहाँ दिख रही थी, अब नहीं दिख रही है. तो हम ये सोच रहे हैं कि अब की बार अगर ये 2544 के ऊपर जाके सस्टेन करेगा तो काफी ऊपर तक जाएगा. कितना ऊपर जाएगा वो अज्यूम करना चाहें अपन, अगर 5 ईयर कैंडल पे जाते हैं. ये लास्ट आप देखिए 2024 तक पहले इसने नाटक किया था और उसके बाद चला है तो विद इन अ वीक ये 2024 से 2244 200 पॉइंट का मूवमेंट दिया है. तो एक वीक अगर अपन इसको रख सकते हैं अपने पास, हम ये ओपिनियन शेयर कर रहे हैं, किसी भी प्रकार की रिकमेंडेशन नहीं है प्लीज. So stock will show minimum movement of 200 to 250 point in a week if it is able to sustain about 2544 level tomorrow. Okay, so this is our opinion and there is no recommendation. Thank you, friends.